I sure did bend that core support up. Didn't hurt the radiator though. I did pre-cut some of this. I wasn't going to tear up what I drive. I figured it'd make a cool entrance to this video. I'm going to get this out of here so I can put it back in other project cars. So I didn't need core support, but I do need this frame section right here. I'm going to trim all this stuff off. That way I can just use it as a need. But I'm going to extract the motor from this car. I'm going to take the rear subframe mount bolts out. I'm going to give it a cut somewhere right in here. Maybe on the front side. I've got to have this kind of structure right here so I can trim this up where it fits another car. So just kind of a quick update video. That was about the easiest way I could get the core support out. Since I didn't need it anyway, it was just to kind of partially cut it, which it was still attached in a few places. It wasn't completely free. But here's where we're at. And here's where it's going. So let's get on that and make a little progress. It was kind of when I got to this point where I just kind of stopped. Get a little brake fluid leaking. I need to get something to catch that in, but most importantly, I forgot about the fuel line. As I was cutting here, cut right through it, started smelling gas, stopped immediately. Washed everything down with water. But as you can see, I just made a straight cut down the frame rail right there. Straight up, and it's in line with this. It'll have to be trimmed up a little bit up here at this top. But pretty much that's how I'm going to do it. And from here, I'm just going to tube this and go to the body. So I'll pop back and keep y'all updated. And as you can see here, I went to the other side over here. I'm going to jack the car up and get the body supported. I'll take this wheel off so I can make my cut. And once we do that, this will all just come right off. There's nothing still hooked to the car other than the heater hoses and maybe some power steering lines, but we're not going to use those anyway, so we'll just cut them. So I'm going to fast forward to the last video here, and we're going to pop in here. As you can see, I made my cut straight down. I'm going to have to take the rear subframe bolts loose. And obviously the steering column's got to come loose, but getting real close to getting this thing out here. So far, today we may have 30 minutes invested, so stay tuned.